Hi guys, I'm Rupsha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm celebrating 200 subscribers. Firstly, thank you all for loving me so much. Hope this video will help you a lot, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, you need to brush your eyebrows, and I'm using Miss Clear Brow Palette. You can use any brand you want. I'm using two colors, brown and black. Firstly, you use brown shade to fill it up, and if you need more darker, you can use black color, but avoid black color because it's look very unnatural. And it's better to use dust instead of kajal or liner because it looks natural. And here I'm using MAC foundation. You can use any foundation you want, and this step is optional because if you want it to make more correct, more perfect, you can try this foundation technique, but it's totally optional. If you want more natural look, you can avoid this step. Hope this video will help you a lot, and if you need any queries you can comment me below, and thank you for watching guys.